Ever wondered how search engines rank websites? Well, you're not alone. It's a question that has sparked curiosity in the minds of many. The answer lies in three simple words: search engine optimization, more commonly known as SEO. SEO is the art and science of making your website attractive to search engines. The goal? To have your website appear on the first page of search results, driving more traffic your way. But how does it work? You see, search engines use complex algorithms to scan or crawl websites, analyzing hundreds of factors to determine the order websites appear in search results. These factors include everything from the quality of your content to how other sites link to you on the web. It might sound like rocket science, but don't worry, it's simpler than you think. To understand this better, we need to delve into the world of SEO. So what exactly is search engine optimization, or SEO as it's commonly known? Let's break it down. Imagine the internet as a massive library and search engines are the librarians. SEO is the process of guiding these librarians to your book, or in this case, your website. It's all about making your website more visible in the sea of information that is the internet. This is achieved by optimizing your website to attract unpaid or organic traffic from the search engine results page. You might be wondering, how does one optimize a website? Well, it's about making your website more appealing to these search engines. It's like sprucing up your book cover and synopsis to catch a reader's eye. The optimization could involve tweaking your website design, adjusting your content, or even ensuring that the keywords are just right. In essence, SEO involves making certain changes to your website design and content to make your site more attractive to a search engine. The game of SEO revolves around keywords. But what are they? Well, imagine you're playing a game of hide and seek. The hider leaves clues to their location, and the seeker uses these clues to find them. In the world of SEO, your website is the hider, and the search engine is the seeker. The clues you leave for the search engine are your keywords. Keywords are phrases in your web content that make it possible for people to find your site via search engines. They act as the bridge between the language of the searchers and the content you provide. For instance, if you run a bakery in New York, some of your keywords might be New York Bakery, best cookies in New York, or gluten-free pastries New York. In essence, a well-optimized website speaks the same language as its potential visitor base with keywords. They are the essential elements that connect searchers to your content. Now you might be wondering, how do we do all this? Enter the world of SEO tools and platforms. These are your secret weapons in optimizing your website and boosting its visibility on search engines. Let's take a look at some of the major players. First up, we have Google Analytics. It's a free tool that gives you insights into who's visiting your website, what they're looking at, and how they got there. It helps you understand your audience better and gives you data to make informed decisions. Then there's Google Search Console. This tool gives you a peek into how Google views your site. It shows you what keywords your site is ranking for, which ones drive the most traffic, and if there are any issues that might be preventing Google from crawling your site. Next on the list is Yoast SEO, a favorite among WordPress users. It's a plugin that helps you optimize your website content with keyword suggestions, readability checks, and other features that make SEO a whole lot easier. Moving on, we have SEMrush. This platform is a powerhouse packed with features. It provides comprehensive SEO analysis, including competitive research, backlink analysis, and keyword research. It's a great tool for those wanting to dive deep into SEO. Last but not least, we have Moz. It's a well-rounded SEO tool that offers a suite of features, including keyword research, site audits, and a SEO toolbar for quick insights. Each of these tools has its strengths and can be used in different ways to optimize your website. You might find that you prefer one over the others, or that a combination of several tools works best for you. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process of testing, measuring, and optimizing. These tools can help you understand what's working, what isn't, and where you can make improvements. With these tools, you can step up your SEO game and make your website more visible. Having the right tools is just the start. You also need a solid strategy. So let's dive into the process of developing an SEO strategy. First and foremost, you need to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your website? Is it more traffic, higher rankings, or perhaps increased conversions? Your goals will guide every decision you make, so it's essential to be clear about what you want to accomplish. Once you've set your goals, it's time to do some keyword research. This is about finding the words and phrases that people use when they're looking for the products or services you offer. There are several tools out there that can help you with this, like Google's Keyword Planner or SEMrush. Remember, you're not just looking for the most popular keywords, but also those that are relevant to your business and have a good balance of search volume and competition. Next, you want to optimize your pages for these keywords. This means including them in your titles, headers, and content, but also in your meta tags and URLs. However, don't overdo it. Search engines are smart and they can tell when you're stuffing keywords. It's about relevance and context, not quantity. Then comes the creation of quality content. This is the heart of your SEO strategy. You want to create content that is valuable, informative, and engaging. Content that answers your audience's questions, solves their problems, and makes them want to share it with others. This not only helps with your search engine rankings, but also builds trust and credibility with your audience. Finally, you need to build backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours, and they're one of the main factors search engines consider when ranking sites. However, not all backlinks are created equal. You want links from reputable sites that are relevant to your industry. You can earn these through guest blogging, partnerships, or by creating content that others want to link to. Remember, a good SEO strategy focuses on providing relevant and useful content to the user. So get out there, start creating, and watch your site climb the search engine rankings. Let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. We started by defining SEO, or search engine optimization, the art of enhancing a website's visibility on search engines. A crucial part of this process involves the use of keywords, those significant words or phrases that potential customers might use to find your product or service. Moving on, we delved into the various SEO tools and platforms available. These resources can greatly assist in keyword research, content optimization, and tracking your website's performance. Remember, the right tool can make a world of difference in your SEO efforts. Finally, we explored how to develop an effective SEO strategy. This involves understanding your audience, researching and implementing the right keywords, and consistently monitoring and adjusting your strategy based on performance results. With a better understanding of SEO, you are now ready to optimize your website and improve its ranking. The world of SEO is at your fingertips.